Okay, it's about 5 minutes to 8. We got a train coming. We had 5 trains come through last night, 5 or 6, dark. So I didn't record them. It's too easy to stay in bed. So it'll be here any second. I wanted to get this started early. Better too early than too late. Yeah, see the lights on the rails. I got some trees in my way here. These little saplings. There he is. Oh, he's on the siding. That means he may stop. Probably come through slow. Sight. I believe they're loaded. Nice. They used to come through here a lot. I'm glad to see them coming back through here. Yeah, there's automobiles in there. Not used to seeing many auto wrecks on this line. Well, that's a flat one. Up here marked at me. I have a feeling he's going to clear us and maybe stop where it goes back down to 1 and wait for northbound. So hopefully I'll catch northbound not long after this one. We'll see. Now the question is, do we have a DPU? Another auto rack. It does have cars in it. Cars appear to be loaded. Another auto rack. Probably a train that normally goes through LaGrange, I'm guessing. A lot of them goes through LaGrange, Kentucky. We're about 4 miles south of Butler, Kentucky here. I'm 4/10 of a mile off of any road. It's a long one. I'll probably be able to get the axle count from my wife when I get back up to where she's at. I got the radio up there. If I didn't to get the axle count, I'll put it in the description. Just slowing down. There you go. Hopefully he clears. Hopefully it clears. That way if a train comes northbound, I'll be able to record it. Ah, he's going to clear. Here's the end. Yeah, chances are he's going to stop. I have to watch my footing here. And he's going to wait for a passing northbound. Hi, Carter. Hi. Hey, little man. All right. Old Fred's blinking. Flashing Fred. All right. Carter. Carter. There he goes. Carter. I'm going to say hi to the camera. He likes to hear trains go by. He gets excited. All right, thanks for checking it out.